ሰላም ተኸታተልቲ ሃብታብ ኣካዳሚ ኣብዚ ንህቦ ዘለና ትምህርቲ እቲ ዝዓበየ ወይ ዝያዳ ኣተኩሮ ክንገብሮ ንግዲ ዘለና ናይ ስፒኪንግ ዓቕሚ ምዕባይ እዩ። ናይ ዝበዝሕ ሰብ ሕቶ ናይ ዝበዝሕ ሰብ ፀገም ስፒኪንግ እዩ። ስለዚ ንስፒኪንግ ካብ ዘድልዩና ሓደ ኸ ናይ ቃላት ዓቕምና ምዕባይ እዩ። ብበዝሒ ቃላት ፈይትና ዝያዳ ምትእምማን ንፍጠር ስፒኪንግ ከዓ ዝያዳ ዝሓሸ ፍሎ እንዳሃለዎ ኸይ ስለዚ ሎሚ መዓልቲ ቮካቡላሪ ኦን ሪሌሽንሺፕስ ዝብል ክንርኢ ኢና። ዝምድናሃት ዝምልከት ኣብ መንጎ ሰባት ዘሎ ዝምድና ዝገልፅን ምስቲ ዝምድና ተኣሲሩ ዝመፅእ ዝስማዓካ ነገራትን ስምዒታትን ዘሐጉስን ዘይሐጉስን ዝተፈላለዩ ስምዒታት ኣብ ምግላፅ ዘድልዩና ቃላት ናይ ቮካቡላሪ ቢልዲንግ ስራሕ ንሰርሕ ኢና። ተቐዳሚት ክፋል ኣነ ነታ ቃላት ክነግረኩም ትርጉም ክነግረኩም እየ። ሕጂ ነታ ቃል ጥራሕ ዘይኮነ ንምሃራ ነታ ቃል ንምግላፅ ዘድልዩና ካልእ ቃላት እውን ክንመሃር ኢና ማለት እዩ። ኣነ ሲምፕል እንግሊሽ ክገልፃ እየ ንስኻትኩም ተቃል ተምሃና ክትግምቱ ፈትኑ ቅድሚ ኣነ ምንጋረይ ማለት እዩ። ንኣብነት someone you like and spend time with. Someone you like and you spend time with. That is friend. Telkom, you are right. Friend. A friend is someone in English. If your teacher is English speaker, if your teacher is American or British and he cannot speak any Tigrinya, then how does he tell you? Your friend means someone who spend time with you, someone you like. ስለዚ ትግርኛ ከይሓወስ ክገልፀልካ ደርሆ ክትጥቀመሉ ቃላትን እግረ መገድና ክንመሃር ኢና ማለት ስለዚ someone you like and spend time with, friend. Number 2, boyfriend, girlfriend, or husband or wife. This person is either your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your husband, or your wife. What do you call him? Or what do you call her? It can be for boys, it can be for girls, for men, for women, the same word. Yes, partner. Partner is someone who lives with you. It can be your husband, your wife, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, whatever. Partner, okay? Third, two people in a romantic relationship. Two people in a romantic relationship, a boy and a girl, or a man and a woman, who are in love or living together, are called couple. Yes, couple are two people, man and woman, either living together or being in romantic relationship. Next, connection between two people. Some kind of blood connection between two people. They might be brother and sister, uncle and cousin, whatever. This connection is called relationship. That's right, relationship. Relationship is people who are related in some way, okay, in a bloodline. Next, a person you study with. A person you study with. Or you can say a person who is studying in the same class, in the same school with you. Classmate. Classmate is someone who is in your class. Similarly, schoolmate, mate, friend. Mate means friend. So schoolmate means someone who goes or who studies in the same school with you. This word has many other branches. For instance, housemate. Housemate, someone who lives in the same house with you. Similarly, we can say roommate. If you are sharing one room, if you are living in one room, you have two beds living in one room. He is my roommate. Someone living in the same room with you. So roommate, classmate, all these are kind of relationships. Next, a person who lives near you. A person who lives near you, who's living or whose residence is around your house is called neighbor. Neighbor تلكم تبالو neighbor ويكا قربت مالتي. A person هجي حدا كم تاع قديم لكو ممر كان انجليزاوي امريكا تكون قربت هاي فلتني قربت ولا كاكلي. تايزبل a person who lives around your house, who lives near you is called a neighbor. Okay, next, a family member. Any family member. Yes, this is clear. Relative. زمد مات نتي family. أبال دهونه زمدك. He is your relative. Okay, so these are the basic words that indicate relationships between people. Now we'll see phrases and expressions about relationships. So knowing the words is not enough. We need some phrase when we talk about these issues. So let's go with some phrase. Get along with. To get along with somebody means to have good relationship, to be happy with somebody, okay? I get along well with my colleagues. Colleague مسارتي. I get along well with my colleagues. أنا مش مسارتي تساني خيد. I get along well with my brothers. مش أخواتي بفقري بسني تخيد. Get along well means تصبو هنا زمدنا حقوق هنا relationship مهلا ماتي. Fall in love. This is very clear. To fall in love means to start loving someone, to start romantic relationship with someone, or to feel something to someone. Okay, so she fell in love with him at university. She fell in love with him. The first time she loved him is at university. We are saying. On the contrary, break up with somebody. Break up with somebody means to end romantic relationship. There were a boy and girl friends. They were friends. They were together. Okay. At some stage, they don't agree on something, so they separate. Break, to end their relationship, to stop their relationship. That's break up. They broke up last month. أبزح على ورحي تفعل عليهم نبلالنا مالتي. Make friends. You can make friends around here. You can make many friends around here. To make friends, to start friendship, okay, with someone, or to become friends with someone. It's easy to make friends at the high school. In high school, you can make friends, a lot of friends. Okay, so to make friends, start friendship. Next, have an argument. Argument is a kind of a fight or disagreement, to fight with words, especially. If you are angrily exchanging words, you are in argument. Mostly negative one. Positive sense. Argument to disagree and fight, usually in words. We had an argument, but now we are okay. We had an argument, but now we are fine. You can say. Keep in touch. This we use it a lot. Keep in touch. To keep in touch means to continue communication. If you are living here in Kampala, and if your friend is going to Canada, at the airport when you are saying bye, finally, okay, bye-bye, keep in touch, which means don't stop communication. When you go there, call me, I will call you. Let's keep our communication, or let's continue our communication. That's what keep in touch. Let's keep in touch, okay? On the contrary, lose touch. Lose touch. ركب مفتاح ويركب مقراط ماتي. Lose touch. Stop communicating. Okay? I lost touch with my old classmates. I lost touch with my friends who left from Africa. مشتم كأفريقيا هدو عرفتي؟ ركب طوايج له بزح حين رخبنا لنا نبال. قال be close to. To be close to someone means to have a strong connection, to have good relationship. Okay? I'm very close to my sister. كم حبتت راح يكون خاون لعد وانا زيادة مقرب مردات اليوم. I'm very close to my sister. كل جديد راح الله كل جديد راح وي as the close وانا connections اللوت فينو. I'm very close to my sister. رأينا كأسألين راح بينا نزارنا كم بعد connection دليل برمانو أم كلاس. Trust someone. This is very simple. Trust. It's direct word. It's not kind of expression. Trust someone. To trust someone means to believe everything they say. To believe that they are honest or they are good. If I think he is good, if I think everything he does is to my advantage, كل زجابرش نتبع حسي زجابرة. كونعي. ناتي تروس خلينو. You trust someone. I trust him. Tell us. Whatever he does, زجابرة زبالة كله. تبع حسي بتاعهم زجابرة فلتي عمني مالتي. So I trust my best friend completely. ملء أمره. نعرفه. تلا مالتي. Okay, we have one more. Take care of. To take care of means to look after someone. Look after كابعلا phrase actually. Look after. Look بزحمة حركات الله بالlook نشرحه. Look after مكنخاني. وي مقداس دهاي مقبار محلاو كون خل. Okay. تلا تجيش لها نقول بيتك. Look after my dog. I'm traveling. جيش هذا lost خل بيد هاي مقبار قدام. تبلو الله هاتي. Look after. Take care of كهومات. Take care of مكنخان مقداس. Okay, I'll take care of him. Don't worry. I'll take care of your dog. Don't worry. البحة بعليك كنا هنا أيتشجر كنبل كلنا الذي take care of somebody. She takes care of her little brother. نتني شي هوا كنا هنا. young people should take care of their old parents منسات زارقو ولدهم كان خانو يقبع they should take care of their parents they should take care of their grandparents ولدهم وين ولدنا ولدهم كان خانو يقبع يبلا لهم لذي take care of ممكن خان وي محلاو مالتي لذي زم حركاتن زم تفايز زمدنا زقل قالاتن بزعبا فاميلي خنزارب كلنا زيارة خنتكم والله وي زيارة بنات حسابنا خنقلت كولنا تشفى قبر تماثل فيديو كان رهب that's it for now